Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Reviewer Winspections, the go-to destination for best outdoor planners. If you're new here, I'm Nathan, and thrilled to have you join our community. Today's video is going to be top 5 outdoor planners. Something I'm passionate about, and I think you'll love it too. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps out the channel. Alright, let's get into today's content. Number 1. VivoSun 5-Pack 3 Plant Grow Bags. Fabric pots are one of the best outdoor planters for growing container vegetables. They increase air circulation to the plant and provide drainage. Extra water can pass through the fabric, so you don't need a drainage hole. These pots are made from non-woven fabric which is BPA free, and they feature reinforced handles to make it easier to move them if needed. At the end of the season, you can just clean these planters out and fold them up for easy storage in your outdoor shed or garage. This set comes with 5 3-gallon pots, which are big enough for many vegetable plants. Although they are not the most stylish option, they are extremely practical and will help make your vegetable gardening endeavors a success. Product details: material, non-woven fabric, weight, 0.93 pounds, dimensions, 9.7 by 9.8 by 9.7 inches, colors, black. Fabric pots can help boost air circulation and drainage for vegetable plants, and these have reinforced handles so you can easily move them if needed. They're not the most stylish choice of planter. Number 2. La Jolie Muse Flower Pot. Made from recycled plastic and natural stone powder, these planters are available in a range of designs, including stone look and speckled options. Perfect for those who love a modern or minimalist look, they are lightweight and can easily be moved around as needed. These are some of the best outdoor planters for durability since they can stand up to harsh sun and cold winter temperatures without fading, chipping, or cracking. While many outdoor planters only come with one drainage hole, this plastic option comes with 4 holes to ensure proper drainage. Do note that they are only available in a set of 2 and can't be purchased individually. Product details: material, recycled plastic and natural stone powder, weight, 2.42 pounds, dimensions, 12 by 9 by 12 inches, colors, black, gray, marble, rock gray, speckled black, speckled white, terracotta. Keep in mind, they can only be purchased in a set of 2, not individually. Number 3. Harmon Window Box Railing Planter. Nothing completes a garden balcony like a railing planter to add charm to the space. Constructed of hand-welded metal, these planters, you get a set of 2, are sprayed with a hard plastic coating that helps them resist rust and corrosion. They come with a coconut fiber liner that helps retain water, which the plant roots can use when needed. However, the liner also allows excess water to drain, and the planter has a drainage hole as well to help prevent root rot. Featuring adjustable brackets, they'll fit on balcony or deck railings that are 3 to 6 inches wide. You can also use the pre-drilled tabs to screw them onto a wall or windowsill and install them as a window box rather than a railing planter. Product details: material, metal, weight, not listed, dimensions, 7 by 30 by 7 inches, colors, black. Number 4. Amazon Aware Acacia Wood Planter. Made of acacia wood, this rectangular planter is one of the best outdoor planters not just because of style, but also because of durability. The water-resistant wood helps it to weather the elements on your balcony, deck, or patio. Measuring 26 inches long, it features 3 hard plastic liners that tuck into the interior, helping to divide the space and create individual pockets for flowers, herbs, or foliage plants. A pre-drilled hole provides drainage and promotes airflow. A 2-pack of smaller 18-inch planters is also available if you have a smaller patio to work with. Both options are certified as carbon neutral, so you can also feel good about choosing a sustainable product for your outdoor living area. Keep in mind that assembly is required with this planter. Product details: material, acacia wood, weight, 13.2 pounds, dimensions, 26.18 by 13.8 by 9.65 inches, colors, not available. Number 5. Polystone Milan Tall Modern Planter. Fill this planter with flowers, herbs, or foliage plants and use it to lend privacy to a deck or patio. It looks and feels like stone, but it weighs much less since it's made from a composite material. You can leave the planter outside all year, as it's safe in temperatures as low as -30 degrees and as high as 150 degrees. It's also resistant to mold, mildew, stains, and salt spray. An insulated core helps protect plant roots from temperature fluctuations, and 3 drainage holes with exit channels help remove any excess water. The planter features a contemporary look and is available in an array of colors to match any decor. Since it is longer than most outdoor planters on our list, it may be awkward to move around, so you may want to decide on a permanent location for it before planting. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.